In today's video, let me show you the AWS RDS new database creation flow. AWS provides this new console interface for database creation. I will share the difference between the new console and the original console, and my opinion of this new database creation flow. After you log into AWS, select the region, go to RDS, click the Create Database button. The new console with pre-built configuration is open by default. You can click Switch to your original interface with a step-by-step custom setup to create a new database instance. If you are using the AWS free tier to explore AWS services, you can check Only Enable options eligible for RDS free usage tier. After you checked this option, you can see Aurora is disabled, so it is not under free tier. If you select another engine, for example MySQL, it is enabled under the free tier. Same when you choose Oracle, you can choose different editions. Now let's switch back to the new database creation flow. In this video, I will show you how to do custom configuring with the new console interface. On the Create Database page, you have two methods, Standard Create and Easy Create. Both put all three steps from the original console in one page. If you select Easy Create, it provides default configuration and you only need to give the class identifier and master username. Aurora engine uses db.i5.large instance. It is not eligible for free tier. If you want to use AWS RDS free tier usage, you can switch to other DB engines and you should be able to select the free tier option. I didn't see the free tier option on the Oracle engine, and also I didn't see the hour price of this engine. Let's hold this question now and move to the standard create with the custom configuration. We knew Aurora is not under the free tier from the previous original console. Let's try MySQL. You can choose free tier and select MySQL version. Now let's try another one, SQL Server. You can choose Edition and Version with the free tier option. Now let's try Oracle. It's tricky on Oracle engine, no free tier option, but after you choose the edition, for example edition 2, then select version 12 at the time of this video. The free tier option is popped up. Let's enter instance identifier name, master username and password, like we did in the original console. Leave others as default. Pay attention, with the free tier option, the multi-AZ deployment is not available. Under the connectivity, you can set up a new VPC and AWS will create a new DB subnet group for you. Click Yes for public access so I can show you the client connection after we done the Oracle database instance creation. Let's click Create New Security Group to see how AWS auto creates security group for this new DB instance. Give the security group name. Click Additional Configuration if there is anything else you wanted to set up. Leave others as the default. Click Create Database button. Now I pause the video until the DB instance is available. Let's click the DB instance name to see its details. I like the AWS put all the details in one page, so that way you can check the configuration information, CloudWatch details, and maintenance information, etc. I also like the auto-generate security group, especially put the inbound rule with your local IP address for public access. Now let's copy this database instance endpoint to test it from Oracle SQL Developer. Configure the new connection in SQL Developer. Enter the username. Enter the password. Paste the endpoint into the hostname and change the SID. There is no table in this database right now. Let's create a sample HR tables. So far, so good. You can go back to the DB instance detail page to check CloudWatch monitoring, logs and events, etc. Now let's delete the DB instance. There's one more thing that I wanted to show you. When you go to the EC2 dashboard, click the security group. From the security group, you can click the VPC that I just created for this DB instance. I like this way to delete the VPC because AWS will delete all resources under this VPC. Thank you for watching today's AWS RDS new database creation flow. And as always, subscribe to my channel for more great cloud computing learning tips. See you next time.